How to prove liability in a failing object accident. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to prove liability in a falling object accident. If you have been injured by something falling from a building, a construction site, or a store shelf, you may be entitled to compensation, but you win your case, you need to prove who was responsible. Let's go step by step to understand how liability works and what you need to do. The first step is to identify where the accident happened. Falling object accidents are common in places like construction site, warehouse, grocery store, or even office building. Knowing the location is important because it helps determine who is responsible. If the accident happened at a construction site, the contractor or property owners may be liable. If it happens in a store, the store owner or manager may be responsible. Identifying the correct party is important for your claim. Next step is gather evidence. If you are injured, try to take picture of the scene, capture the object that fell, where it came from, and any hazards around you. If you cannot take picture, ask someone to do it for you. If there were security cameras, the footage could help prove what happens. Also check if there were warning signs. If no sign were placed in a dangerous area, that could show negligence. Witness statements are also important. If someone saw the object fall and hit you, ask for their contact information. Witnesses can confirm detail about the accident that may help your case. Their statement can support your claim if the responsible parties try to deny fault. After gathering evidence, report the accident. If it happened at a businesses, inform the manager on or owners. If it happened at a construction site, report it to the site supervisor. If the accident was serious, file a police report. Having an official report can strengthen your case. Now, let's talk about negligence. To prove liability, you must show that someone was negligent. Negligence means they failed to take proper safety measures. There are a few ways to prove this. One way is to show that the property owner or manager know about the risk but did nothing to fix it. Another way is to prove that they should have known about the hazards and taken a step to prevent it. If the accident happened at a workplace, check if safety regulations were followed. Violating safety rules is a strong sign of negligence. A key factor in proving liability in the legal concept of duty of care. Property owners, businesses owners, and employer have a legal responsibility to keep their premises safe. If they fail to do so and an object fell and injured you, they may be held liable. This applies to construction sites, shopping center, and any place where objects are stored above ground. After proving negligence, you need to show that the The accident caused your injuries. Seek medical attention as soon as possible, even if your injuries seem minor at first. Some symptoms may appear later. Keep all medical records, including doctor reports, test results, and treatment plans. These documents will help prove that the falling object caused your injuries. If the accident happened at work, you may be eligible for worker compensation. However, if a third party was responsible, such as a subcontractor or equipment manufacturer, you may also have the right to file a lawsuit. Talk to a lawyer to understand your options. Once you have evidence and medical records, consult a personal injury lawyer. A lawyer will help you file a claim and negotiate with insurance company. Many businesses and construction companies have insurance to cover this type of accident, but insurers often try to minimize payout. A lawyer will protect your right and fight for the compensation you deserve. When filing a claim, you may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and other damage. The amount you receive will depend on the severity of your injuries and the level of negligence involved. If the responsible party acts recklessly, you may also be awarded punitive damage. It is important to act quickly because personal injury have a time limits. This is known as the statute of limitation. In most cases, you have between 1 or 4 years to file a claim depending on your state. If you wait too long, you may lose your right to seek compensation. If you are not sure whether you have a case, consult a lawyer for a pre-evaluation. Many personal injury law attorney offer free consultation where they review your case and explain your legal options. You don't have to go through this process alone. A legal expert can help you gather the right evidence and prove liability. To summarize it, if you were injured by a falling object, identify the location, gather evidence, and seek medical attention. Prove negligence and consult a lawyer. Taking legal action may seem overwhelming, but with the right step and professional guidance, you can get the compensation you deserve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. Stay safe and see you in the next videos.